Cape May is being hammered by high winds and damage. Our Matt Petrillo is following the wicked weather. Good afternoon, Matt.
Hey, Jim, good afternoon to you. We are just getting some viewer video that shows strong damage in South Jersey. I want you to take a look at that video right now. Take a listen. You can hear that whipping wind is really picking up, just throwing sand here in Cape May. This is by the Cove. You can see signs cemented in the ground, kind of struggling to stay put. In another part of Cape May, we saw some big gusts of wind are kind of throwing trees back and forth. And there was also a photo we have of a roof blown off a building and across a parking lot in Cape May. Now, I did talk to the mayor of Wildwood Crest. He was telling me that, look, it's no secret manpower and crews right now. It's kind of low given the middle of the pandemic that we're in, but he says that after this storm blows over, that crews will go out in the fields as much as they can and try to assess the damage and clean up as much as they can. I also want you to take a look at some numbers we have of power outages. More than 12,000 homes in Cape May County, that according to AC Electric. In Delmarva, more than 1,800 homes and businesses without power. PECO, more than 2,000. And PPL, more than 6,000 homes. And those numbers are expected to increase as this weather worsens. We have our Joe Holden on the way to the Jersey Shore at this moment. He'll give us a live look later, starting on Eyewitness News at 4. Reporting live, I'm Matt Petrillo, CBS 3 Eyewitness News.
Thank you, Matt.